Tata IPL 2024 Chennai Super Kings vs Punjab Kings, match number 53, match detail and final playing 11. Date 5 May 2024, time 3:30 PM, venue Dharmasala Cricket Stadium. Team Punjab Kings final playing 11. Number 1 Johnny Bairstow, right-hand batsman. Number 2 Bob Simran Singh, right-hand batsman. Number 3 Riley Russo, left-handed batsman. Number 4 Jitesh Sharma, right-hand wicketkeeper batsman. Number 5 Shashank Singh, right-hand batsman. Number 6 Ashutosh Sharma, right-hand batsman. Number 7 Harpreet Brar, all-rounder. Number 8 Sam Curran, all-rounder. Number 9 Rahul Chahar, spin bowling. Number 10 Kagiso Rabada, fast bowler. Number 11 Arshdeep Singh, fast bowler. Team Chennai Super Kings final playing 11. Number 1 Rituraj Gaikwad, right-hand batsman. Number 2 Rajendra Ravindra, left-handed batsman. Number 3 Ajinkya Rahane, right-handed batsman. Number 4 Shivam Dube, left-handed batsman. Number 5 Derry Mitchell, right-handed batsman. Number 6 MS Dhoni, right-handed wicketkeeper batsman. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja, all-rounder. Number 8 Tushar Deshpande, fast bowler. Number 9 Deepak Chahar, fast bowler. Number 10 Shardul Thakur, fast bowler. Number 11 Mathisa Pathirana, fast bowler. Who will this match? Comment. Don't forget like and subscribe.